how to attach a socket to a DeWALT cordless drill. So, how do we attach this socket here to this cordless drill? Now, what you could do is untighten the chuck, put it in like this, tighten it back up, give it one final tighten, and you now have your socket in your DeWALT drill. However, if you have multiple different sizes, the best thing to do is to get one of these socket set quick releases. Add this to your chuck, tighten it up again. Now what this allows you to do, if you have multiple sizes, what you need to change between, just add it to the end like this. Use tighten or untighten your screw or your socket or your bolt, take it out. If you get a different size, get another size, add it to the end like that. Now you can get a full set, this, and a full set of sockets in an Amazon Basic tool kit. Now it's well worth getting. I'll show you. Here it is. And you see you get a full range of different size sockets. Get a few here. You get some spade bits, different drill attachments for wood, metal, concrete. Some different things like that. It's well worth getting, especially if you want to attach some sockets to your DeWALT cordless drill. It's only budget, but if you're only starting out, well worth getting. So hopefully this helps you out how to attach a socket set to your DeWALT cordless drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.